Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly Chatflow. In today's video, we are going to learn how to broadcast WhatsApp message for your optical store. If you're in an optical store, then manually responding to all the queries related to new arrivals and offers can be a very time-consuming process. So with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, we are going to create a template message which will be broadcasted to the respective contact list on the scheduled time. Now, if you want to learn how to create this broadcast message, then let me take you to my screen. Here we have created this broadcast for our optical store. Before we begin the procedure of creating this broadcast, let me take you to my WhatsApp screen to show you how this broadcast works in real-time example. Here, as you can see, we have received our template message. That means our broadcast is working successfully. And here, the status of our broadcast has changed from live to send. That means our broadcast has sent and working perfectly fine. Now to create this broadcast, we have to visit Pabbly Chatflow's website, and for that open a new browser tab. In a new tab, enter the URL pabbly.com/chatflow and it will take you to the main landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. If you are an existing user, click on sign in. However, if you are a new user, click on sign up for free. As I am already an existing user, I will click on sign in and it will show me all the apps provided by Pabbly Chatflow. Here we have to access Pabbly Chatflow. So click on access now and it will take you to the Pabbly Chatflow dashboard. On the left side of the screen, you will see all the features provided by Pabbly Chatflow. We will go through all the features one by one. First, we have dashboard, which gives us an overview of chatbot's performance, recent activities and stats. Next we have is inbox. Here we can manage and reply to all the incoming customer conversations. Next up we have contacts. It stores all the details of users who have interacted with your chatbot. From here you can view and manage them. Then we have team queues. It helps us in assigning conversations to different team members for better handling and faster responses. Next up we have template. It is a pre-built template which you can use directly or customize accordingly to your needs. It saves a lot of time. Next up we have broadcast. It allows you to send bulk message or announcement to multiple users at once. Then we have flows, where you can create and manage your chatbot conversations and create chat flows. Then we have AI Assistant, a feature to integrate AI-based smart responses, making your chatbot more interactive and intelligent. Then we have settings. It manages your account preferences, chatbot settings, integrations and notification options. From Get Help, you can access support, documentation, FAQs or options to connect Pabbly customer service if you need any assistance. You can add your WhatsApp number on Pabbly Chatflow from here. Click on Add WhatsApp Number. Then you will get two options, WhatsApp Connect Beta and Manual Token Connect. Click on Manual Token Connect and this will ask for Meta Access Token. You have to generate Meta Access Token from Facebook Meta for Developers. Once you generate your access token, you can update it here. Here you can see all the credits allotted, credits consumed, credits remaining and the amount of numbers you have added here. To know more about how to add WhatsApp number, you can watch this video here. Now let's begin the process of creating our broadcast. And for that, access the broadcast feature from here and then to create a new broadcast, click on Add Broadcast. Here we have to select our broadcast type. Here I'm going to select Broadcast Campaign and here we have to provide our broadcast name. I'm going to name our broadcast as Optical Store Assistant. Here we have to select Contact List. To create a contact list, you have to access Contacts feature from here, open it in new tab, and then to create a contact list, click here, and here provide a name to your contact list such as Optical Store, add all the necessary details, and then simply click on Add, and a new contact list will be created. Here it says Contact List created successfully. Then I'm going back to my broadcast and here I'm going to select contact list as Optical Store. And then here we have two types of messages provided by Pabbly. First is pre-approved template message and the other one is regular message. So here we are going to use pre-approved template message. Simply click on select WhatsApp template and you will get a list of all the approved templates. You can choose any template that you want. Here I'm going to select this optical one. And here our chosen template has been appeared. Here it has all the details and deals going on currently for our optical store. If you want to know how to create template, click on template. Then access the template list in a new tab. And here we get a list of all the approved templates. To create a new template, simply click on Add Template. Here you have to select template category as marketing, and here you have to provide template name. Make sure that it doesn't have any uppercase letter or any special characters. It should only be in lowercase. Next, you have to select your required language. Here I have selected English. And here you have to select template type as text, image, video, document, location or carousel. Here I have selected text. Here you have to provide a template header which will appear like this to the user. So here I have added clear vision, clear offers, add vision plus opticals. And here you can add all the details that you want your template to show. And to make some specific text appear bold, you can add these little asterisk signs which will make your text appear bold like this. Then you have to select a footer message which will appear like this to the user. And lastly, create an interactive action such as none, call to action, quick replies or all of the above. Here I have selected none and simply submit your template. And soon your template will be approved and ready to use. Now here it provides us to send a test message. Here we can add all our details and check our broadcast message. So here I am going to provide my details and click on send test message to send a test broadcast. A test broadcast has been sent, so let's check on my WhatsApp whether I have received it or not. So here as we can see, we have received our selected template. That means our broadcast is working perfectly fine. So here I am going back to my broadcast, and then last thing is left, that is scheduling broadcast. Either to send it instantly or schedule it for later. We have to provide a specific date and time to schedule the broadcast. I'm going to send it instantly and simply click on add broadcast and our broadcast will be created successfully. Now this broadcast will send our chosen template to our respective contact list instantly. If you also want to create this broadcast, follow the procedure as I've shown in this video. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple such chatbots with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you have any doubts, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can write them on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can visit our website given over here. So what are you waiting for? Sign up today and try it for free.